Hello again. Wednesday afternoon. It's 3:15 and it's only just stopped raining. We just had a really heavy wintry shower. It's been really horrible weather all day. I was hoping to get out on the bike today, but it was just too wet and horrible. If I'd have had to go out training wise, I'd have been out in it, but because I didn't need to today, with it being a rest week, I haven't done anything yet. I'll be on Zwift tonight. I'm just walking down to see Neil because I need to get some of these outer cable bits for the gears on the Jaws Galaxy. So just taking you with me, and we're walking down. I've not got much time either because I've got to go and pick my son up from the station at 4:30. So I'll have to leave in less than an hour. Yeah, it's 3:20. I can see the church clock. So literally an hour and I'll have to leave. I also want to speak to Neil as well and get him to save me one of the cardboard boxes that the bike's come in, because I've sold that cross bike on eBay and I need to package it up because the guy's gonna get it carried over to Denmark. So, right, speak to you in a bit. He's not here. That's a nuisance. I have to go home again. So yeah, that was a nuisance. He wasn't there. Shop's shut. Lights are on. He's probably popped home. Tried the front door, that was locked. So I'm just watching where I'm going. There's a lot of dog walkers coming down here, so there's a lot of dog muck. Quite often. So yeah, tried the front door, went round the back. Back was locked up too. And recent tyre tracks in the rain. So yeah, he's gone home probably. Right, get ready to go and get Adam from the station. So welcome to the little red Kia. I like this car. It's a little Kia Rio diesel. We're just going to get Adam from the station. It's 4:20, so he goes to school in Coventry and gets the train from the International Station, which is the train station associated with Birmingham Airport. So at the moment he's learning to drive, so he's learning in this car. So I drive there, he drives back. Whilst we're in the car, let's take this opportunity to go through a few little topics of discussion, introductions, that sort of thing. So who am I? You already know that from my channel name, but my name's Duncan McNuds. Getting on with your carriageway. Where do I live? So I live in the North Warwickshire, little market town called Coleshill, which is roughly where the toll road starts. So this is in England. Obviously I'm not, those of you that are from this country will recognise that I'm not from Birmingham originally with my accent. So I grew up in Lancashire, in Ramsbottom. Spent a lot of time there before I finally moved down to Birmingham. Been down in Birmingham a long time. I think I came down in November 1993. So this is the M6 roundabout. This is junction 4, I think, on the M6. Yep, it is. So I'm married to my wife Sarah. We've been married for 24 years this year. Hang on, what year is it? Yeah, that's right. 24 years this year. I know when we got married, I just have to work it out. started at a very, very, very young age, probably about 3 or 4. And I've had a bicycle, as long as I can remember. Always had one. Or 2, or 3, or 4. What's the most number of bikes that I've ever had? 13, I think, in one go. Start to run out of space in the garage, so it gets to a point where they're not really worth anything second hand. So that cross bike that I've just sold, I bought it 8-10 years ago or whatever. £750. I've just sold it for 210. It's probably worth more in parts, but I want the space. So currently I have to actually sit down and work it out how many bikes I've got. I couldn't tell you how many I've got at the moment. It's probably about 9 or 10. What's the furthest I've ever ridden? Like, well, the furthest I've ever ridden in one go was from where we live in Birmingham all the way down to Strumble Head in Pembrokeshire, Wales. So down through Birmingham, out through Hagley, all the way across Wales, across the mountains, and down to Wales. It was 193 miles. I did it in one go, one day. It took me 12 and a half hours, and it was 11 and a half hours of cycling. That was before I had a power meter, so I don't know how much the average power was, but my average speed was 16.5 miles an hour. When did I last do a race? That's a good one. When I actually got out and pinned a number on my bike would be a time trial in 2016. I might do some this year. Didn't do any last year. What else? If it came to getting rid of coming down to just having a bike or a car, which would I have? Bike, easy question. Can't think of anything else at the minute, but if you've got any other burning questions that you want me to answer, please ask in the comments and I'll see if I can answer them for you. So I'm almost at the station now. I'm going to jump on Zwift tonight. When we get back from the station, I've got a cup of tea, and then I will be on Zwift for the Team CLS Tuesday. High and low, I think it is, as I've said before. I always get them mixed up which is which. High and low tonight. So I'm going to do a bit of recording when I do the warm-up, because I've got to do a spin down, so I'll talk you through how I do that. So see you this evening. We're at the station now. Evening then. Well, as I said, on Zwift now, just warming up. We'll get to 10 minutes on the elapsed time on the timer, and then we'll do the spin down, and at that point I'll then show you how we do that. Kick a 17, and then on the phone we pull up the Wahoo mobile app. We'll need to turn Bluetooth on. So let's turn Bluetooth on for it to connect. We press sensors there, and we find the kicker 17 there, kicker 17, and we scroll down to the bottom, spin down, and we'll click that in a bit. As I said, we'll just wait for it to get to another 4 minutes, and then I'll show you what we do on the screen. Because to get it to work, we have to deactivate the actual trainer. Okay, so we're coming up to
9.5 minutes. So what we're going to do is we're going to press A on the keyboard, bring up the per screen, disconnect or unpair the controllable trainer there. You stop pedaling when you do that. And then when we get to 10 minutes, we're going to hit spin down. The resistance on the trainer will change. There we go. Perform spin down. You've got to set that up to 36. And then we wait. Let it spin down. Virtually stops. And when it says done, we can reconnect it on the per screen. And this just means that it keeps all the power readings accurate. Simplify off now. There we go. So we'll hit done. Hit A. Repair that on the screen. There. Then I can start pedaling again. The only final job to do is to disconnect it on the phone. So turn Bluetooth off. Come out of the Woohoo Fitness app. Go back to the mobile link. And we're done. Carry on warming up now. That's it. So I'll leave it at that now for this vlog. Hope the weather's not too bad for you, wherever you are. Hope you get on your bikes, or indoors, or whatever. I'll do more on the Galaxy later in the week, Friday. So there should be another vlog up for that on Saturday morning, early Saturday morning, hopefully. So see you later. Oh, should also say, thanks for watching. We'll leave it at that now. See you in the next vlog. Please like and subscribe. See ya.